This is District's VIT Fleece. This is a cotton-faced 65/30 cotton poly blend. It's got a modern cut and is great as loungewear. When printing on a blended fleece, it's important to know if there is a cotton face or not. A cotton face will allow for much better DTG print and better printability with pretreatment and minimal dye migration. With it being a lightweight hoodie, we decided to do something different by showcasing one of our cool features, the adjustable Z-axis. Because we use a recipe system, all we have to do is tell the machine to go up by an additional 5mm, and we can easily print over the kangaroo pocket.
For this hoodie here, we increased the height to 5mm, and what this is allowing us to do is maintain a minimum of 3mm between our print head and the highest point of the print. When printing on fleece, what we have to do is increase not only the pretreat, but also the white base layer. We had to do this so that we can compensate for the amount of absorption that the material has.
And there you have it, meteor shower on District's VIT Fleece lightweight hoodie.